is this machine is Singer 99K. So I'm gonna show you how to remove this full control cover, so you can see inside how is the ceramic conditions. So you have to remove these 4 screws and then check how is the ceramic part. I forgot to disconnect the power cord. Always be safe. Okay, so this ceramic part is in good conditions. Take care of this, because if you drop it, it can break, because it's, I think ceramic looks plastic, but usually this is ceramic. So I think it's ceramic, yeah. So inside there are carbon brushes or piece of carbon, round carbon. There are like 50 each side. Sometimes they are broken, so they have to be replaced when they are broken. Always take a picture, and if you are gonna remove this one, take a picture and put back everything together how it's in the picture. And this spring you can bend a little bit, so you can see where they can be connected, both sizes. When they are connected already, the motor will be running. So make sure can be connected, and try do it very gentle, so it can break if you push all the way down. Okay, and okay, yes, let me put back on the cover and put all the screw inside here. Okay, very slow, so make sure the screws are going inside in the right way. Okay, I will do it with my screwdriver. I believe it's better. Yes. Yes. Be careful. The thread can breaks. Be careful. Oh my goodness. Okay, I put some oil. I apply some oil in case to protect the thread. Okay. Take care of the full control. It can breaks if you drop it. Okay. So now I wanna remove the motor to check the carbon brushes. because the motor has carbon brushes inside. Remove this screw, the belt, and remove one of the carbon brushes cover, so you can see with one of these if the carbon brushes need to be replaced. So you can see here inside looks good. The carbon brushes looks good. They looks almost new. So for sure the other one is in the same conditions. Also, you can check the armature. If the armature is very dirty, remove the carbon brush and cover, and the armature can be polished with sandpaper or a special like file. There is a file online, so you can use it to polish the armature. Okay, put back the covers, and I'm gonna put back the motor and belt. The belt has to be not too tight, like this. If it's too tight, the motor will be running very slow, because this is old and sometimes the motor are running slow because the belt is too tight. So make sure belt is not too tight. Check the screw that adjusts the pulley. This is loosened, so make sure the screw is tight. So now it's ready to go. I wanna plug in and check how it's working. That's it. Did you like the video? Please like the video. If you are new in the channel or in one of my social media, please subscribe and share with your friend. Thank you very much, and have a good day, and I see you in the next one. Thank you.